I don't know.
It said Kidish, something like that.
It's Kiki.
She in our class?
No, she's actually in 6th period.
Oh.
Okay, now you see this one, number 2? I don't know what number it is on y'all's.
The triangle or the?
Yeah, this triangle.
Yeah, it's number 2.
That's number 2 on yours too?
Mm-hmm.
So on yours, is the square first?
Yeah. Number 1 is a square, number 2 is a triangle, and number 3 is that a hexagon or a pentagon?
No. Well, on mine is a hexagon, but I think on y'all's first assignment, it's just squares and triangles, right?
For number 1, it's a square.
And
for
then
number 2, it's a triangle.
What's number 3?
Number 3 is a hexagon.
Oh, so you do have a hexagon on the first one?
Yeah.
And what's number 4? You don't have one?
We can't see number 4.
Oh no, on your assignment. Not what I got on the screen, but.
Oh, I don't know. I have no clue.
Wait, okay, let me see if I can switch real fast. No, I'm just gonna go ahead and stick with this. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the triangle first since we just covered it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so we know it's gonna be 30, 60, 90, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and start off with that.
The 4 goes to the 90?
Correct. So I'm gonna put the 4 down there, which means what is X?
Oh, 2.
8.
No, I heard.
8?
No, not 8.
2.
2.
2 times.
Was it?
I thought it was
remember,
2
I got
times
divided by 2.
Oh.
Right?
Yeah.
So that 2 goes there. That's going to be my height. And then what's my base?
2. Square root of 3.
There you go. So now I'm going to do my formula. 2 times 2 square root of 3 divided by 2. Twos cancel, and I'm left with 2 square root of 3. Now what will I multiply that by? My last step. I'm going to give you a hint right here. How many triangles do I got?
6.
That's right.
Yeah.
So I'm always going to multiply by 6. What's 6 times 2?
3.
12.
No, 12.
You said.
I was dividing.
And that's how we get that one.
That was easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, but what you got to remember is this isn't the whole triangle. It's only the small one. You find the small one first.
Mm-hmm.
And then the last step will be multiplied by the number. So the triangle will be 6. Now, if I look at the square, that's not going to be a 30, 60, 90. What do you think it is?
For a square?
Yep.
45, 45,
45 in.
Yep.
Knew it.
And also, how many triangles do you think there are in there?
1. I don't know. 2.
For what? I didn't hear it. Ask it again.
How many triangles, little triangles, are in the square?
2.
No,
got-
that's a lot. There's
Yeah,
a
that's
lot
right.
to it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8.
8. And what you're gonna find out is, if I got 4 sides, it's gonna be 8 triangles. When I do the hexagon, I got 6 sides. It's gonna be 12 triangles. Okay, so that's what you gotta remember.
It just like multiplies by the sides. You just multiply by 2 from the sides.
Yep, and you get it.
Okay.
Okay, so here we go. Where does the 8 go?
The 8 goes the bottom.
Correct.
Okay.
So I got that, which means I got divided by 2.
Which is 4.
4.
But don't forget the square root of 2, okay?
Okay.
Now remember, I'm going to do my base. This is my base. This is my height. So I do 4 square root of 2 times 4 square root of 2 divided by 2. Remember, I'm finding, right now I'm finding the small triangle, okay? Finding the small triangle first. So 2 times 4 is 8. Times 2 is 16. You guys with me so far?
Yes.
Okay, so that's the small triangle. What do I have to multiply by?
If it's a small one?
Yeah, how many small ones do I got?
Oh, you have 8, so you multiply by 8.
There you go. I got to multiply that by 8. So I'm going to write that right here because I don't have a calculator. So 8 times 6 is
48.
48, right? And then 8 plus 4 is 12.
12. So 128.
Yep.
Centimeters
And that's
square.
how you do the square. So the first assignment, I think, has that square, that triangle, and that last triangle. There's 4 of them. So you got to do the triangles and the squares first.
Triangles and squares.
Yeah, that's going to be on 7.8A.
Is it already posted on Google Classroom or is it coming this week?
No, it should already be in there.
Okay.
So I already did 2 of them, so you're going to have 2 more to do. But on the second one, which is 7.8B, you're going to have the hexagon.
Okay.
So let's do the hexagon, and then just write it down, and then when you get to that one, you'll be ready to do it.
Okay.
Okay,
the hexagon will have 12. 12.
What's that?
The hexagon will be split into 12.
That's
triangles.
right. So on my last step, I'm multiplying that by 12, the little triangle. Now the hexagon, on this one, they give me the 18, which is that whole side, which means, what do you think this little part is?
If it's half, so 18 divided by 2?
Yep.
9.
9. So this guy's 9. That's the base. So I already know what the base is. But I got to find the height, and we do this guy to find the height.
Wait, how did you get number 9? How did you get 9?
Because they
You
gave
divide
me,
it by 2.
yeah, see 18, that's the whole side, right? You see the dotted line? That dotted line cuts it in half. Do you see it?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it cuts it in half, so that little part is 9.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so now I'm gonna put my X,
Does 9 go on the 90?
not on this one,
No.
no. Because see, this side right here, that's the 90 side.
Mm-hmm.
The bottom,
Oh, wait. It goes at the top.
yep. So then what's the middle?
9. Square root of 3.
Yep, so that's what I'm multiplying. So if you remember, these two, the top ones are always the ones we multiply. Even if it's a 45, we multiply the two top ones. On the 30, 60, 90, you multiply the two top ones. And then I divide it by 2. Right, so I'm gonna do the 9 times 9.
81.
Yep. And just leave everything else there.
So
And now,
81 square root of 3 divided by 2.
yep.
Okay.
And so now I'm ready for my last step, right? Which is gonna be multiply that by 12.
12.
So I have to do 81 times 6. 6, we already said that's 48. So that's gonna be, and don't forget the square root of 3.
Okay.
And that's how you do the, now on the hexagon though, they break it up into 3 questions. My first question is, what's this angle? It's 30.
30.
Okay. Then the second question is going to be, what's the area of the small triangle? You see what I boxed in blue?
81 square root of 3 divided by 2.
There you go. That's going to be the second question. Then the final question will be the answer that we already found, which is this guy over here in blue.
Okay.
Okay, so those are the first 3 answers on that one. And then you're going to have to do this number 5 down here. Okay.
Okay.
Now, do you guys got questions about what I've covered right now?
No.
Okay, so Kiki, did you get all that? I don't know if she's muted or not. Make sure you got that. Now, how about the calculator online? Have you guys used that?
No, I haven't. How do you do it?
You go to desmos.com. Let me see if I could do, let me stop
Wait,
sharing.
I think you sent a link.
What's that?
You sent a link already on Google Classroom.
For the
You sent the
Desmos?
link? He sent it. But I
Yeah,
haven't tried it.
I did send something. Let me see if I could go to it real fast and then share it.
Look at me and Jeanette learning early in the morning.
But where's everyone?
For real, they probably sleep. That's what I'm saying. It's like 12, right? What time is it?
Yeah, it's after
Me too, I'll be
12.
sleeping this time too. I just woke up.
Me too.